There are 3 so-called superfoods you should never eat. They may be toxic to your body and might be draining your energy. These are foods that are being marketed to you as superfoods for your health. The truth is, these foods might be draining your energy, making you fatigued, causing you to gain weight, and lowering your metabolism. These are foods that most Americans have in their home and consume on a daily basis. One of these foods actually affects your hormones. Many of these superfood companies have expensive lobbyists who convince lawmakers to allow them to advertise these foods as health foods. This is something not being reported by most mainstream media. If you have been feeling constant fatigue and low energy, then these foods could already be draining your energy. You can find out about these foods and get your energy back when you visit our website at healtheasyfix.com. Or click our link in the bio to watch the full video, which includes how to shed extra pounds around the belly, thighs, and waist. This is something that is affecting millions of people, and it is something that you should know for your well-being.